Now we already have the idea about flux and circulation, right? Now we know that Gauss Law tells us that the flux of electric field over a closed surface, that is integral of E dot ds, right, is equal to the charge enclosed by epsilon naught. This is something which we learned in the chapter of electrostatics. Then if I find the flux of magnetic field over a closed surface, that is integral of B dot ds, what would I find? We had discussed this, that will be equal to 0. That's because if you put a magnet inside a surface, the net magnetic charge enclosed would always be 0, right? Because you have a north pole as well as a south pole, right? So the number of field lines going out would be equal to the number of field lines going in any case. So the flux of magnetic field is always equal to 0. These are the first two Maxwell's equations. They are based on flux. Now let's talk about circulation. Now if I talk about the circulation of electric field in a closed loop, then what is that? That is nothing but, yes, the EMF, the potential difference. And we know that the potential difference is equal to what? Yes, minus d phi b by dt. This is something we get from the Faraday's law, right? The EMF produced is equal to the rate, the negative of the rate of change of the magnetic flux, right? That's the third Maxwell's equation. And the fourth equation is the Ampere's law, which is integral of B dot dl, that is the circulation of magnetic field, is equal to mu naught times I enclosed. And now that we know about displacement current, we'll add mu naught epsilon naught times d phi e by dt. Okay, this is Ampere's law in its complete form, completed of course by the great genius Maxwell. Okay, now if you put all these four equations together, you call this set as the Maxwell's equation. Now you might be asking, why are we talking about Maxwell's equation? Because using these four equations, Maxwell predicted that most likely light is an electromagnetic wave. And using these equations, he calculated precisely what would be the speed of light. And a lot of change happened in the physics community and our understanding of physics because of these four equations.
For more videos and live lectures on the JEE, click on the subscribe button now.